Okay, hello and good day everyone, no? So today we will discuss about the law of cosine naman, okay? Okay, law of cosines, okay, in any triangle ABC with sides A, B, and C, no? So given triangle ABC with sides A, B, and C, we will use these formulas, no? So dalawang klase yung mga formulas natin. Excuse me. Una is for SAS cases, no? So kapag SAS cases, okay, ang hinahanap dito is yung side, no? Then we have A squared equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC times cosine A. Kapag ang nawawala naman yung side B is we have B squared equal to A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cosine B. Kapag side C naman ang nawawala, no? So we have C squared equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine C. Okay? For SSS cases naman, no? Kaya tinawag na SSS cases kasi nga given yung mga sides, ang unknown is yung angle. Dito tinawag na SAS cases kasi nga given yung two sides tsaka yung including angle. Now, here, kapag nawawala yung cosine A, ito yung formula natin. We have B squared plus C squared minus A squared over by 2BC. Kapag angle B naman ang nawawala, we have cosine B is equal to A squared plus C squared minus B squared over by 2AC. Sa angle C naman, we have cosine C is equal to A squared plus B squared minus C squared over by 2AB. Okay? Now, example here. In triangle ABC, B is equal to 5, C is equal to 8, and measure of angle A is 35 degrees. Solve for the unknown parts, no? Now, ito yung angle, ito yung triangle ABC natin. Angle B, 5, angle C is 8, and measure of angle A is 35, no? So, tatlong given ito. So, ang given dito is SAS, no? Two sides and then including angle. Yung including angle ng C and B is A. So, here, if you are going to find A here, side A, then we will use the the formula here. A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC times cosine A. Okay? Now, substitute your A, yung B, yung B na lang kasi ano yung A eh. Your B to 5, your C to 8, then 2 times your B ulit is 5 times your C is 8. Then cosine A is 35 degrees. No? Then we have 5 squared is 25, 8 squared is 64, 2 times 5 times 8, we have 80. Cosine 35 degrees is 0.8192. 25 plus 64 is 89. 80 times 0.8192 is equal to 65.536. Subtract natin, then we have 23.464. Hindi pa dyan nagtatapos kasi A squared pa to. Get the square root of both sides, no? We have A is equal to, what is the square root of 23.464? We have 4.8. So ito yung magiging value ni A natin. Okay? Now next, what about naman kung ang nawawala naman, next nating hahanapin na dito, no? Ay kasi mag-click, is measure of angle B, no? Okay, how can we find measure of angle B? So we can use the formula here, no? Ito, cosine B equal to A squared plus C squared minus B squared over by 2AC. Kaya applicable lang to kapag yung three sides ng given triangle are all given. Since yung A natin, nakuha na natin, which is 4.8, we can use already this formula. Now, substitute your A to 4.8, your C to 8, minus your B naman to 5 over by 2 times your A is 4.8, your C is 8. 4.8 degrees, squared is 23.05, 8 squared is 64, 5 squared is 25, over by 2 times 4.8 times 8 is equal to 76.8. Now, add natin and subtract to. 23.04 plus 64 minus 25 is equal to 62.04 divided by 76.8, and that will be equal to 0.8078. Now, what is the degree form or the degree value for 0.8078 in cosine? That is equal to 36.118 degrees for a measure of angle B. Okay? Next, or in a round off na i-round off natin, that is 36. Next, find measure of angle C naman. O, ganun pa rin yung SSS cases tayo. Okay, substitute your A to 4.8, your B naman to 5, your C naman to 8 over by 2 times your A is 4.8, your B is 5. 4.8 squared is 23.05, 5 squared is 25, 8 squared is 64. Okay, 2 times 4.8 times 5 is 48. 23.04 plus 25 minus 64 is equal to negative 15.96 divided by 48, and that would be equal to negative 0.3325. What is sign? No? Okay lang kahit mag-negative, no? Kasi ano naman eh, ganun pa rin naman yung degree niyan eh. Nga lang, negative, no? What is a degree? Is 109.421 degrees. Or, in a round of form, we have 109 degrees. Tama ba yung formula natin? Wait lang. Baka mamaya mali tayo. ABC, no? Tanga, sinagahang eh. Tama. Next, example, no? Triangle ABC has sides A equal to 7 centimeter, side B equal to 9 centimeter, and C is equal to 12 centimeter long. Find the measures of the angles to the nearest degree. Okay? So this time, nasa SSS cases na tayo. No? So given kasi tatlong sides eh. Ito yung gagamitin natin. To find the measure of angle A, we have cosine A equal to B squared plus C squared minus A squared over by 2BC. Now, substitute your B to 9, your C naman to 12, then your A to 7 over by 2 times your B naman here is, ilan yung B? 9. Your C is 12. Okay? And then, 9 squared is 81, 12 squared is 144, 7 squared is 49, over by 2 times 9 times 12 is 216. 81 plus 144 minus 49 is equal to 176 divided by 216. That would be equal to 0.8148. What is the cosine here? We have 35.432 degrees or 35 degrees kasi nearest degree tayo. Next, nahanap na natin si measure of angle B, measure of angle A, si measure of angle B naman. So to find measure of angle B, ito naman yung formula natin. We have A squared plus C squared minus B squared over by 2AC. Now, your A again here is 7. Your C here is 9. Your C is 12, sorry. Your B is 9. No? Then we have 7 squared, over by 2 times 7 times 12. 7 squared is 49. 12 squared is 144. 9 squared is 81. Over by 2 times 7 times 12 is 168. 49 plus 144 minus 81, that would be equal to 112 divided by 168, and that is equal to 0.6667. Okay? Then what is the cosine here of 0.6667? That is equal to 48.187 degrees or 48 degrees. Okay? Next, find measure of angle C. Okay? Again, your C here is cosine C equal to A squared plus B squared minus C squared over by 2AB. Substitute your A to 7, your B naman to 9, your C naman to 12, over by 2 times your A is 7, your B is 9. So 7 squared is 49, 9 squared is 81, then 12 squared is 144 over by 2 times 7 times 9 is 126. Now 49 times 81, that would be equal to 49 plus 81, no, that would be equal to ganito, 130 minus 144, we have negative 14 over by 126. Negative 14 divided by 126, that would be equal to negative 0.111. Okay, what is the cosine of it? We have 96.379 degrees or 96 degrees. Okay? Now, word problem tayo. Alea May Aconia wants to determine the distance between points J and O in the illustration below. So, ito yung illustration. No? Okay? So, ito yung O and J. No? Gusto niya malaman yung distance ng point O at saka point J. She is located in point B. Ito. Given that JB is 344 meters, BO is 528 meters, and measure of angle B naman is 122 degrees. Find the distance of JO. Okay? So, ito yung mga given. No? Hanapin natin yung distance ng JO. Okay? To find the distance of JO, we can use the law of cosine. That is because given dito yung two sides and it's including angle. So, we have JO squared is equal to BJ squared plus BO squared minus 2 times BJ times BO, then cosine B. Ito, given. Okay? Then your JO is equal to, your BJ is 344, no? So we have 344 squared. BO naman is 528, so we have 528 squared minus 2 times your BJ is 344, your B is 528, cosine times cosine 122 degrees. Now, 344 squared is equal to 118,336 plus 528 squared is equal to 278,784 minus 2 times 344 times, 2 times 344 is equal to 363,264 multiplied by 54 ulit, 528. Then your cosine 122 is negative 0.5299. Now, add natin to, 118. By the way, class, itong 363,264, inad kong tatlo ha. Multiply kong tatlo ha. 2 times 344 times 528 is equal to this one. Now, here, balik tayo. 118,336 plus 278,784 is equal to 397,120 minus 363,264 times 0.5299, that would be equal to positive 192,494. Add natin to, then we have 589,614. Then get the square root of both sides. Your JO here, no, nasa rounded form na siya, naka-round off na, is equal to 768 meters. Ito yung distance niya, 768 meters. Okay? Now, let us have an exercise. Given the following information, solve the triangle. No? Supply your answer to the nearest 10 or to the nearest 10 minutes. Here, no? Number 1. Side A is 7, side B is 9, measure of angle C is 60. What is your C? Okay, to find C, we will use this formula. C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB times cosine C. So, substitute your A to 7, your B to 9, no? Then your cosine C is cosine 60. Now, 7 squared is 49, 9 squared is 81, 2 times 7 times 9 is 260. Cosine 60 degrees is 0.5. Okay, 49 plus 81 is 130. 126 times 0.5 is 63. Subtract, then we have 67. Get the square root of both sides. Your C here is equal to 8.2. Okay? Hindi nakalagay. Lang. Pause ko muna yung sharing ko ha. Okay? Next, number 2. We have A is equal to 1.7. Your C is equal to 1.2. Measure of angle B is equal to 120 degrees. Okay? Find your B, your side B here. Again, nasa SAS tayo, no? SAS cases. So to find side B here, we have B squared is equal to A squared plus C squared minus 2AC times cosine B. Your B here is unknown pa, no? Your A is equal to 1.7. Your C naman is 1.2, no? Then your angle B or cosine is 120. Now, 1.7 squared is 2.89. 1.2 squared is 144. I mean 1.44. 2 times 1.7 times 1.2 is equal to 4.08. Cosine 120 degrees is equal to negative 0.5. Add natin 2.89 plus 1.44 is equal to 4.33. 4.08 times negative 0.5 is 2.04. Add natin, then we have 6.37. Get the square root of both sides. Then we have B is equal to 2.5. Okay? Next, 0. A is equal to 9, B is equal to 11, C is equal to 14, and find measure of angle A. To find your measure of angle A, since nasa SSS tayo kasi side-side to, no, we use this formula. Cosine A is equal to B squared plus C squared minus A squared over by 2BC. Your A here is, your B muna. Your B is 11, your C is 14, your A is 9 over by 2 times your B is 11, your C is 14. 11 squared is 121, 14 squared is 196, 9 squared is 81. Over by 2 times 11 times 14 is 308. 121 plus 196 minus 81 is equal to 136. Divide by 308. Then we have 0.4416. Okay? Then what is the cosine of 0.4416? That is equal to 63.8 degrees. Okay? Or 63 degrees and 48 minutes. Okay? That's it, no? So thank you for listening, and again, do not forget to answer your exercises. Okay? Your quiz and assignment to be followed na. Okay, that's all. Goodbye and God bless.